Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share how to make a pillow box using this pillow box punch board of We Are Memory Keepers. This is how the pillow box should look like once you have punched it. And this particular board here, as all other boards, come with instructions, very easy to follow, very easy to read. I also have some other punch boards for gift boxes, gift bags, candy box and so forth, and today I would like to share this particular one here. So first of all, we will need some paper that we are going to use for this project here, and since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought it would be a great idea to have some paper that will fit to the theme. So this is a design paper that comes in different sizes with some pinky stripes and little dots and so forth. I get these blocks here from a dollar store. They come very cheap, like maybe 3 euros for a block. Here are some other designs, and anything will work really as long as the paper is a little bit more thick or sturdy, you know, like it is strong enough when you make the box with it. So regular paper would not work, and here you have some other cute designs as well. Alright, here are the little gifts that I would like to put in the box. These are lip balms and bath truffles, and you will see this project here on my channel very soon. Following the instructions on the board here and with the use of this bone folder, we can see that we need first of all to trim our paper width to 6 inches, which we have in our case, and then the length can be between 4 and 12 inches. So we are going to align the left edge to this start line here that you can see, and then we punch with this mechanism here, and then we score the line along this curved line with the bone folder. And once we have done that, we are going to score the vertical line that is over here. It has a groove in it, so it's very easy to follow this line with your bone folder. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Then we are going to shift the paper over to the nook, align it, we punch again, we score the curved line, the vertical line as well, and again we move it over to fit to this curved line over here, we punch and we score the curved line again. Now you can see this side here is complete. We flip the paper over and we do exactly the same thing. We align the left edge to the start line, we punch, we score the curved line, the vertical line, move the paper over to the nook, give it a punch again, we score the curved line, the vertical line, move the paper over again, give it another punch and score the curved line. Now the paper looks like this, and we are missing these thumb notches that we are going to punch with the reverse punch here. This is the mechanism, it's on the other side of the board, and we just add the thumb notches by inserting the paper to this reverse punch. We give it a punch, and here you can see you have these little notches here. We are just going to get rid of this little curved line here so that we can glue it together properly. So we cut off these edges, and then we apply the adhesive to this tab over here and we glue it together. Let's try with another paper. This is another kind of design here, also very cute. And I like to use this We Are Memory Keeper trim and scoreboard to cut the paper to size. We try to do a smaller one. So again, we align the paper to the start line, we punch, we score the curved line and then the vertical line. Then we move the paper over again to the nook, give it a punch, score the curved line and then the vertical line again, move it over again, give it a punch and score the curved line. Flip over the paper, align the left edge to the start line, we score the curved line, the vertical line, move it over again, punch, score, and now we just need to add the reverse punch here to create the thumb notches. Then we crease the box and we also crease these edges here, these rounded edges. We cut off these small tab edges with the scissor. We apply adhesive to this small tab over here and we glue it together. And of course it gets easier as you go, so we're gonna do a third one and the last one for today with another design paper here, also a shorter one for a smaller box. So again, we align the left edge at the start line, we punch, we score the curved line, the vertical line, then we move it over, we do the exact same thing. And what I absolutely like about these punch boards is that you can make a handmade gift box for your handmade product, which in my opinion adds a little extra to it. So we flip the paper over and we do the exact same thing. If you're interested to see some other projects using other punch boards, I will leave it up in the right hand corner for you to check it out, and you can see it also down here. That's a gift box maker, also very nice. If you want to make like bigger boxes, then you can use that one. Comes also from the same company, We Are Memory Keepers, and I will of course leave a link down in the description box. So we are ready for the thumb notches here, so we use the reversed punch. We cut off the edges here with a pair of scissors again. Then we just crease the lines here and also the curved edges to make it easier. We apply the adhesive here to the small tab side and then we glue it together. Now let's have a look how we can fill these boxes here. So we close the curved edges down here and we fill it with this pink lip balm. The project will be out soon here on my channel, so stay tuned. And here we have our first pillow box, very cute. The pink one we're gonna fill with a blue lip balm, of course. And it's nice because it's a one-time investment. You buy your punch board and then you can do as many gift boxes as you want. And this is our first pillow box that we made, a longer one. We slide in our bath truffles. And then you have this different format here, also very cute. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in soap making videos or skincare DIY or packaging ideas, then consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you around here very soon for another video. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.